So I'm going to be showing you how to set up your online binder for Texas history. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go into your Google Drive and you will need to create a new folder. By doing that, you click New in the top left-hand corner and click on Folder. The new folder will be titled Texas History. And then I would also include your teacher's name and your class period. So I would say Texas History, Mrs. Moore, and then your class period. So let's pretend it's third period. And then click Create. Okay, as you can see, it is now down here highlighted at the bottom. Okay, within this folder, you will need to double click to open it, and you're going to add subfolders. The first subfolder you're going to add, and you're going to have 10 of them, is going to be Unit 1. Okay, and click Create. You're going to create one of these for every unit. So Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, all the way to Unit 10. So I'm just going to do a few for right now, and then you can finish out the rest. Once you have your subfolders complete all the way through Unit 10, you're going to go inside each subfolder. So I'm going to click on Unit 1. And as you can see, there's nothing inside of there yet. You need to create 3 more folders inside of each unit folder. So I'm going to create one folder, and it's going to be titled Assignments, and create. I'm going to create another folder and title it Notes, create, and then the last folder is going to be titled Warm-Ups. Okay. So once you have these folders complete, it's going to be important that you have this done for each unit folder. And the teacher will tell you where you need to start filing things away. So it may be listed on the Canvas assignment. And so it might say, file this behind Unit 1 Notes, or file this in your warm-up folder for Unit 4. Just depending on what we're working on and how we want you to stay organized. There's one more thing I need you to add. So go back to the main folder where all of your unit folders are. And you need to create one more folder titled Test Analysis. Okay, Test Analysis. And that will just go on the main page. You're not going to have one of those for every unit. It'll just be one folder on the main page. Okay, if you have any questions, you can see your teacher. You can attend Legend Time or tutorials, and they will help you with this process. Thank you.